Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Today, I'd like to introduce the labor case that I represented very successfully. This is regarding some native English teachers unpaid severance pay and other legal allowances. So the institute, it was one of the biggest English institutes in Korea. They hired more than 200 English teachers, but according to their system, they hired English teachers as freelance, but they paid more than other teachers, English teachers. So they say this salary includes severance pay and other legal allowances. So they have a service contract for English teaching, not the employment contract. So they are excluded from application of labor law. So they never paid severance pay for the past 20 years. So some English teachers visited my office and complained that they never received any severance pay, even though they have taught several years. So I concluded, even though they received much more than other English teachers' salaries, but as long as they are employee status, they are entitled to severance pay and other legal allowances like weekly holiday allowance or annual paid leave allowance. So I represented 17 English teachers in the beginning, but later I have 9 more English teachers for this claim. So I represent 24 English teachers, but the company hired biggest law firm, Kim and Jang, and they represented the company. So they claimed their salary is higher than other institutes, the salary. Also, they have a service contract rather than employment contract. Also, their working is very free away from normal English teaching. So they claim that those English teachers are not the employee, so they are excluded from application of labor law. But my logic is very clear. They have even though they have a service contract, but they work exclusive for the particular the employer. Also, they are not allowed to work for other institute. Also, their working hours the same, or they are they have fixed salary. So even though they earn more, they are entitled to application of labor law. So in labor office, the case, we could not win, but we take it to the civil court together with with some support from civil attorney. So I represented the logic for this case, and the judges in the civil court ruled they make they ruling that they are employees, so they are entitled to all the legal protection by Korean labor law. Also, the appeal court, they had the same ruling, and Supreme Court, they had also same ruling for this basic concept. So we finally won the case. So all 24 English teachers received all unpaid severance pay and the compensation for unpaid weekly holiday allowance and annual paid leave. So I was so happy to represent them very successfully. Okay, further explanation I'm going to attach with my article. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.